Hey guys, check it out. We're out here at BMR in Fort Lauderdale. Today we were working on this beautiful 51 Jeanneau, which is actually a redo as well. Someone had ceramic coated it and didn't do the greatest of job, so we're redoing it and making sure it comes out correct. Same thing's going on over here. And on this one, client had just got it done about 3 months ago, so they're not happy with the results. They're getting a lot of rust, soot sticking, all types of stuff sticking to the gel or paint. So they would like to actually get a real ceramic coating, something that's going to last and repel everything the way it should. They spent a lot of money on the boat getting it done once, and we're going to do it the right way for them. And what I wanted to go over today is how to actually square foot and actually bid out one of these jobs. So these jobs, not all boats are the same. Obviously there's different sizes, different lengths, but also the different widths and heights. So when the guys come out to you and they say, hey, this boat's an average of $150 a foot. Well, are they actually going to be able to do the job correctly at $150 a foot? Being that when you don't take the square footage and you don't get the right numbers, you might be off by a few $1,000s. Now, if you're off by a few $1,000s, is your product correct? Do you have the right stuff you need? Are you getting the right guys on the job to do it correctly and spend the time that the boat needs to get it done right? Most likely not, so what you need is to make sure you get the right square footage. When you do this, then you charge them by foot, per compound, per polish, per ceramic coating step, and you lay it all out for them. That way you know, and they know, the correct quote is being given to them for the job that's being done. Yeah, so the way I do it, I use this here, which is pretty much like your measuring tape. I just walk around the boat, wheeling it out, and every section I just take the measurement by putting it on the floor there and measuring the distance, you know, from one end to the other, and then the height. And I pretty much lay out the whole boat entirely like that and divide it up into different square footage, then I add it all up, and that's how I get my full total of actual square footage that we're going to be working on. That's the best way to do it for everybody to know what's being done and to make sure that you're giving them the proper job and you're quoting yourself properly. There's been a lot of times where you could probably put out a ceramic coating job and underbid it, and you get out there, you start working on, all of a sudden you got a lot more square footage to work on, and you don't have the right product, the right amount of money to pay for your guys and pay for the product that needs to get done for the job. So it's important you guys take a good square footage of the boats, doesn't matter what size it is.